Hey guys, welcome back to another little video of tools and builds. Today we're gonna work on my 2008 300C, and everybody knows C stands for Hemi. For the past winter I've been having problems with a little light that keeps on showing up in my dashboard. It's like a little thunderbolt, and that's the throttle control. And right now it's beginning of July, and my 300 became my winter car, and it's 2008. It's 12 years old. I bought it 2009. I bought it with 13,000 kilometers. Now it has over 230. This car is my baby, because it's my baby. It's the longest car I ever owned. It's the best car I ever owned, and still run. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change a throttle body on this 2008. Here we go. This is where the old one was. It is simple. You have to remove the front air filter. Mine is special air intake, as you see here. I got a Mopar air intake. Now I'm going to show you the old throttle. This is the old throttle body. It is disgusting. See all the debris? And it was not closing completely in, so it's giving us false reading. That's the old one. Yeah. And this is the new one. You see how the gap is? See the response? Look how fast it closes. Look at this one. Doesn't close all the way. Now we're going to install this one, and you'll see it takes seconds. There we go. I don't think we can take this out. Take it out twice now. Nice and clean. Put it.
I was taking the intake out.
That was easy.
Nice and snug, right?
It was like that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now we put the shit. This thing broke.
What thing? Oh. clip that goes here.
Right there.
The big.
I don't think it goes in. No, that doesn't go in. It's supposed to stay like this. This piece goes right here that broke off. Like that. Okay, hold on. Here, no. Boom. Gotta put a new air intake. This one's dirty. This is to get cleaned. If you ever change this in your car, always get two of them. Takes long to clean these things.